Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to make some storage for my Spade Bits, and I had this block that came off a pallet, a nice heavy chunky block, and it had some cool writing on it. I thought that looked quite industrial and interesting. It's even got a date on it as well, the 25th of the 1st 2020. And another good reason for using this was that it was really heavy, and it actually weighed well over half a kilo, as you can see there, so it could be freestanding. So the first thing that I did was I added a piece of tape, masking tape, to a drill bit, and that was the drill bit that I was going to use to drill the holes to accommodate these bits. And I added this piece of tape around the area there, as you can see, and that would just act as like a flag stop. So next I wanted to find the centre of this block. So I measured and marked up the centre. So then, going round with a combination square, I just wanted to make both sides even. So I marked up those two ends. And I found the centre point. And then I just did a bit of quick maths because I've got 7 bits. So I needed to just equally space them between that space. I then just used a brad awl to make some marks. So then I set up the table on the drill press. And I began slowly just drilling the holes. You can see that tape helps to just remove all the sawdust as well from the area that you're drilling, just to make it easy to see the depth. So when those holes were drilled, there was a bit of damage on the top, as you can see there, and I used some wood glue to get into that crack, and then I just clamped it up. And when that was dry, I gave it all a sanding down. And I made sure to sand all of the corners as well and round them over. And I made sure not to sand the part that's got all the interesting writing on it. I then just finished it off by hand with a higher grit paper to make it nice and smooth. And I then gave it all a coat of boiled linseed oil. So after that I gave it all a rubbing down with a dry cloth. And that was it all finished. So I was really pleased with how this turned out. Just a nice quick, simple and easy project. And some of these blocks you can get on pallets are quite interesting looking and quite useful actually. So if you found this video useful, please leave me a like and also comment, and also consider subscribing if you haven't already for more videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.